What's up, YouTube? Yeah, if you haven't subscribed already, you better subscribe because you're going to be missing out on a lot of good videos. Like this video already because this video about to be lit. I'm fit to do the refrigerator rap. The first person that did it was Delano Edwards, but me, it's Dan Edwards. And I'm about to go in. Straight up. Hold up, what is, I'm about to put a beat to it and everything. Everything in the refrigerator. Everything in the refrigerator, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Let's do it. I'm out in the refrigerator. Yeah. What's in the refrigerator? Shit, a lot of shit. I ain't really too much, but shit. I ain't made groceries yet, but look. All in the refrigerator, still got the juice. Man, I'm coming hard, bitch, you know I be in the juice. All in the refrigerator, still got the soda. Went to the club and I just smell odor. In the refrigerator, still got the water. Last night I think I fucked your daughter. In the refrigerator, still got the meat. And looking kinda old, throw away the meat. All in the refrigerator with the Coca-Cola. They ain't Master P, but I'm a no-limit soldier. I'm in the refrigerator, still got the pickle juice. Why I still got the shit? Nipple pickle juice. All in the refrigerator, still got the McDonald's cup. I don't know why I got it, but look, I don't give a fuck. In the refrigerator, got the Southern Classic. People call it crack chicken, Southern Classic. All in the refrigerator, got the fucking marriage. I mean, not the marriage, sandwich bread. Sandwich spread, whatever shit. Back all in the refrigerator, still got the cheese.